Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something that is so easy and so delicious, it is mind-boggling. So I've made this a few times on IG stories and I've gotten like a crazy amount of requests to show you how I make it, and it's so simple. You only need, what, 3 ingredients? 4 with the strawberries? I mean, hello. So this is a sugar-free whipped cream. Incredibly easy to make, homemade, and a delicious, light, summery, refreshing dessert that I feel like everybody loves. If you love fruit, you kind of gotta love this, you know? So I'm doing it with strawberries. We could do strawberries, blueberries, any kind of berries, whatever you like. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and make this delicious treat. I have this hand mixer here, and I think this is one of those items that was passed down to John, like, for college, right? I don't even know, but it still works, so it's like, why would we get another one, you know?
It's not an item you want to buy.
It's not something you want to buy. So I just took this out of the freezer. As you can tell, it's cold. This is the bowl that I'm gonna be making the whipped cream in and the beaters for the hand mixer. My mom told me it's better if you do it while everything's cold. Some type of science, I don't know. Cran is always right, so I'm not gonna challenge it. Anyway, it's chilly, and I've got my heavy whipping cream. You wanna make sure it's heavy whipping cream, that's what makes it whipped cream. And then I measure with a tablespoon. So if I'm doing a personal serving or if I'm just making it for myself, I'll usually do 5 tablespoons of whipping cream to 1 teaspoon of swerve, which I'll show you guys. But if I wanna make a bigger batch, I'll do 10 tablespoons, I'll just double it. Anyway, so I'm gonna do, should I do 10?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So,
Or 15.
I just do it like this. I do it with tablespoons because I do often make personal sized batches. And a lot of times what I try to do to help me with my serving size is I'll make 1 batch. Because if I make a batch with like a ton, I will eat it all. So now what we're gonna do is gonna blend this by itself. Another tip my mom gave me for whipping cream, which I didn't do before, but it makes so much sense now, is whenever you're blending whipping cream, and even if you do add other ingredients, do the whipping cream by itself first, because that's how it gets really fluffy. Some people ask me, how long does it take for it actually whip? So you want to use like a powered type blender, because I feel like if you do a whisk, I don't know if, like a hand whisk, I feel like that would take all day. But when you do it this way, it takes probably like 2 minutes before it actually gets really fluffy. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. All right, so now we're gonna add the sweetener. This is a sugar replacement. This is erythritol. 0 net carbs, but it does have 4 grams of total carbs per serving, which is a teaspoon. So for every 5 tablespoons-ish of whipping cream that I do 1 teaspoon of swerve. That's just kind of how I like it. But the great thing about making this yourself is you can adjust the sweetness. If you want a little bit sweeter, you can add a little bit more. And then a little bit of vanilla extract. This just makes it like a little bit more vanilla-y. So this I don't measure. I just do a splash. I didn't put it in a full teaspoon. So now I'm just gonna mix this in together real quick. Oh my God. I don't know why it's so simple but so good, you know? I feel like for every summertime barbecue that I have, I will have some version of this there. Although it does, you know what it makes me want? Angel food cake.
Oh, yeah.
Doesn't that sound so good? You know what else I've done with this actually? All last week when I was heavy into Lily's chocolate was I straight up would take some Lily's chocolate.
Nothing wrong with that.
Nothing wrong. Oh my God. That is the finished recipe. I'm gonna cut up some strawberries now that I already have washed. I wonder if people are gonna make fun of the size of this knife. I feel like I never use the right size knife. The other day on IG stories, I cut up an avocado and I literally used like a machete.
How much better is it for you than like a regular whipped cream though?
Like whipped cream you buy from...
Is there a lot of sugar in regular whipped cream?
I mean, yeah, there's just sugar in whipped cream. You know, I used to really love Cool Whip. That was like my shit. We're having our first barbecue Memorial Day weekend. I am so excited. Hopefully, it's been like almost rainy and cold this week, so I'm kind of hoping that it's not gonna stay like that. We definitely gotta start doing like some cooking toots in the backyard, for sure. I think I'm gonna do like scallops and shrimp out on the griddle. Anyway, you guys, this is it. Can you believe it? That's literally it, but it is so good, so simple. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take some strawberries, put it in this cute ass little bowl. This is like technically like what a serving size is, which is crazy. This is what I would like a serving size to be, but this is what a serving size is supposed to be. And you could take some whipped cream and just You could also put it in like a frosting bag, pastry bag, whatever it's called, with like a tip and make it look prettier than this. But this is very organic. This type of whipped cream shape. Oh my gosh. Does this not look incredible? Come do a taste test with me, John.
You don't tempt me with a good time.
Get
I'm not in the frame.
on my level.
I'm just gonna come down to your level here.
Get on my level.
Use your bare hands.
Sometimes. This is the ratio I like right here.
I like to mix the whole shit together.
Every time.
Fuck, dude. Jesus Christ! Right back, guys.
So to me, this is like a guilt-free snack.
Why is it snack?
Snack. You got a little fruit, a little fat on top. Good. All right, guys. So I know that was short and sweet, pretty quick and easy. Are there any other like little things? Short and sweet, quick and easy, fast and furious. I don't know.
That wasn't really furious.
It wasn't furious. There's nothing angry about it. That's it for the whipped cream. Super easy to do, very fresh, tasty. If you guys make this whipped cream, if you taste it, let me know. Anyway, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching. All right, we got a bonus round. Woo!
Oh.
Bonus round,
You
real
thought
quick.
This shit was over.
You thought it was over. Okay, so this is something that I haven't tried before, but I thought the idea sounded really, really good. So you know how cream cheese frosting is really good?
Okay.
So what I wanted to do, I have this whipped cream here, but I'm gonna add an ounce. I'm gonna start with an ounce because this isn't very much whipped cream. An ounce of cream cheese. This is softened, just regular cream cheese. Still no sugar in here. But I was like, dude, what if this tastes like cream cheese frosting?
Can I come over?
Oh my God. Hold on, let me whip it again. So for this, because the cream cheese is not sweet, I'm gonna add a lot more vanilla apparently. And a splash more swerve. I'm not measuring here, we're going off the grid a little bit. But like vanilla, cream cheese, frosting, it actually looks like frosting now. Oh.
Bitch.
Yeah.
Fuck, dude. Holy. Are you fucking kidding me?
So now we're like, okay, what are we gonna put this on? I would literally throw a handful of Lily's chips in here and eat that. I have a problem though, I have an actual problem. This is a yes though. If you guys like cream cheese frosting,
Plug in.
bonus round succeeded. Now we're leaving.
Deuces.
Bye. Oh my God. Hi, Cherb. She literally could not do anything wrong ever. Mike's eating a basket. Hey Mike, can you not do that? Why does it sound like she wears high heels?
Only during the videos. Action!
Hey guys! That was horrible. My hair is kind of curling in on this side and I want it to be reflected in the notes that was not intentional, okay? It just rained on me, I don't know if you saw that. This yellow with the blue kitchen's kind of cute, huh? Is it cute?
It's V cute.
V cute?
Action!
Honestly?
What?
Hold on, this thing's in the way.
That's in the way.
Ah!